Hey, bro. Hold on, take a deep breath because the explosion we've all been waiting for has finally happened. After thousands of leaks and suspense from all over the world, the official trailer of Doomsday has finally landed on our screens. And man, Marvel really picked the perfect. Now look, Marvel play a very smart game in this trailer. They hide Robert Downey Jr. face, but they reveal such a terrifying look of Doctor Doom that people completely lost their mind. Honestly, Marvel's Spider-Man and his Doomsday are no longer just movies. They've become a direct emotion for us fans. And this trailer has made that emotion even stronger. Talking about the characters, bro, they've literally assembled an entire army. Our old professor Xavier is back. All thought it looked like this movie might be the end for him. Along with him, there's Thor, Captain America, Ant-Man, our own Fengu Shang-Chi, and oh bro, our favorite Loki. What a journey Loki has had from being a villain to an anti-hero and now a real hero. After the Loki season, I seriously fell in love with the character. And that's not all, the entire X-Men team is in the battlefield too. Cyclops seems to have a major role, Mystique is there. They all Magneto is back, and yes, that card throwing Gambit is here too. Along with them, Namor, Black Panther, the Fantastic Four, and the entire New Avengers team are ready. If you look carefully, there is also a brand new logo shining on Avengers Tower, which means the era of the New Avengers has officially begun. But bro, the most dangerous part was the final scene of the trailer. Remember, Stormbreaker had unleashed Pyre's Thanos chest, but here our Doctor Doom isn't even moving. Just imagine how insanely powerful they made this villain. And all those leaks, Marvel proved every single one of them wrong. They were all fake and AI generated. Now the story is completely straightforward and clear. Xavier's school has been destroyed, destruction is right around the corner, and all the superheroes are coming together to stop it. It's classic old school Marvel, just like Thanos completely dominated Infinity War. Doctor Doom is going to rule this movie in the exact same one sided way. But do you know what the biggest scam is? Robert Downey Jr. himself is playing this villain. Even thought he won't be Iron Man. The moment his face appears on the big theater screen for the first time, I swear the audience will scream, cheer, and go absolutely crazy. That's Marvel's biggest gamble. As for the release, the movie is set to explode in theaters on December 18, right after the Spider-Man events, and mark my words, all first day houseful records are going to be shattered. Even thought this trailer didn't give me a lot of goosebumps. One thing is absolutely certain, this movie is going to create completely chaos in theaters. So what do you think? Will Doctor Doom turns out to be even more dangerous than Thanos? Let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.